It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and this is a bit of a weird food video because it's raw meat, it's bacon. The reason why I picked it up is because Richmond are usually synonymous with their sausages. But I seen this in Tesco and thought that's really unusual. You never really see branded bacon, do you? You never see a company like grasp the nettle and make really good bacon. Have you noticed in supermarkets recently, the bacon is getting thinner and thinner and thinner? Well, this was marked up at £3, but you can pick it up in Tesco at the moment on a £2.50 club card deal. It's 280 grams worth of bacon, and it's got a bit of thickness to it. That might be the better way of showing you. There's a bit of thickness there. So we've cracked out the 18-year-old George Foreman fat grilling machine. It's a seal and reseal pack, so hopefully we can reseal this afterwards. No, because I've just ripped the plastic. The only thing I will say, and this is like almost like butcher's. Remember butcher's bacon back in the day? Can you see the little kind of, it's almost like seasoning. It's almost like, it's almost like black pepper or something, or white pepper. But let's show you this bacon. Rather than that stupidly thin stuff, like sometimes if you buy it, I bought bacon before in Lidl, Aldi, even Tesco, and it's paper thin and it's ripping. You can't get it out the packet. Have you noticed that recently? So we're going to do a traditional whoa. Four slices of bacon sandwich. Here, look at that. So I'll go away now, butter some bread. It's the iconic great taste. Let's see what it's like. Could be good. Could be just bacon. Right, okay, this bacon is ready. Let's get out the George Foreman. Really quick, actually. And it crisped up really nice. I turned it halfway. But it smells really good. Yes, again, I don't know if it's this cheap bacon these days in supermarkets. I know, ironically, I picked this up in Tesco, but it's a branded bacon. This smells more like butcher's bacon. Is it a thing? Whoa. Right, have a look at that. Doesn't that look good? So let's whack this thing off. Now I brought this out just to show you that I normally have brown sauce on my bacon sandwich. Most people, brown, red, some people even have mayo on their bacon sandwich. But I want to review it in its raw form. I want to review it as bacon, because this is not a HP sauce review, is it? Right, so here we go then. Nice slice of white bread. Now I had the cheap bacon from Tesco just yesterday, the really thin stuff. There wasn't much flavour to it, so next day I'm really able to give you a good verdict on if this Richmond bacon is any good. Is it worth more money? Is it worth that £3 a pack if it's not on offer? It's pretty good. It's nice and salty. It's a bit. The edges have crisped up nicely as well. Nice crispy. I always like my bacon crispy anyway. Depends if you want your bacon, what would you call it, with a bit of fat on the ends. What I mean by the fat on the ends is more of a gristly fat. So do you cook your, comment in the comments box, do you prefer your bacon crispy or do you prefer your bacon with that little bit of fat on it, that little bit of kind of bouncy fat? It's good. It's good bacon. I'd definitely buy it again. The point is with this is that the really thin, stupidly thin bacon these days in the supermarket, Tesco own brand, Lidl own brand, they'll sell you 10 slices of bacon, but it's like it must be cut with some kind of cheese wire or something. It's ridiculously thin. You can't get out the packet. You can't separate it. Sometimes you're pulling two bits out, the ends fall off. It's just really, really difficult to get it on a grill. This was easy, super easy. Pull it out, chuck it on George Foreman, job done. What I am going to do though, I have decided to put a bit of HB sauce on the second half of the sandwich. Just to see what it's like with a bit of seasoning. Look at that, with a bit of HP brown sauce. It used to be the case, didn't it? You went to the supermarket, you trusted them. You bought 10 slices of bacon off them and you expected it to be quite thick. I know you can open your eyes and have a look down the side of the bacon, but most people don't have time for that, do they? That is a delicious sandwich. Oh, with the HP, even better. You can't beat this stuff. I go through a bottle every other month. Poured it everywhere. I'm about ready to rate this Richmond bacon. The rind is good. The bacon is super tasty. The HB sauce lit it up like lighting a firework. I'm going to pay a bit more money. I'm going to be buying this Richmond bacon a little bit more often, only because it's just that little bit thicker and you're not messing about super thin, silly bits of bacon that tear and rip on you. I like that bacon enough to give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. I hope you liked the video. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.